All right, thank you very much for staying with us right here on Diaspora Vibes. Now, that was a very, very informative interview. I didn't know these digital platforms actually do that much with regards to releasing information that's accurate, and it's a good thing to actually see that they've invested that much in giving us good and legit information. Now, let's move away from that negative stuff and probably into some lighter news and stories. China is with no doubt currently a country of interest, and on Diaspora Culture tonight, Kawira Wagithinji takes us to China to get a little familiar with the world's most populated country. Here's the Diaspora Culture.
With the coronavirus pandemic sending a scare across the globe, China has been at the center of it all. With the virus originating from the nation, it is a sigh of relief to know that there are no new domestic cases of the virus in Wuhan. And while we are at it, let's talk about China, the history behind a country that is on everyone's lips. China lies within the continental boundaries of Asia. It is officially referred to as People's Republic of China. It is the most populated country in the world with over 1 billion people living within the boundaries. This is to say that 1 in every 5 people across the world is a Chinese. Beijing is the country's capital city, although Hong Kong is the most popular and Shanghai the most populated. It has the second largest economy after the United States, undoubtedly making it a superpower. Over 56 ethnic dialects are spoken in China, but the most popular is Han Chinese, consisting of over 90% of the total population. The Communist ruling party is largely atheist, but Buddhism and Taoism are acceptable religions, with tolerance of Islam and Christianity. The Spring Festival, which is equal to New Year celebrations, is the most popular holiday, marked with unmatchable pomp and color and lasting up to 15 days. China is famous as a tourist destination for the food, fashion, and geographical history. Rightfully so, as the largest man-made structure in history is in China, the Great Wall of China, stretching over an impressive 8,450 kilometers. As the country is largely populated, there are reproductive restrictions. 1 child as per 2015 and a lenient 2 since then to date. Martial arts are an identity in the social structure of China, with Kung Fu taking the lead, which I thought you should know apes animal character. The traditional Chinese fashion is also on the global stage, as many people around the world adapt the traditional Han dress. And finally, let's talk about food. To the Chinese, food is more than a meal. It is a social necessity for interaction. Different areas have different cuisines, but the most popular is rice and noodles, which here in Kenya you will conveniently find at a Chinese restaurant. I just hope that you will use your chopsticks right.